One of the most popular ways to generate online income is through the sale of professional services. If you are an expert in a field, you can offer consulting services, tutoring, training, and other services related to your skill. Another way to generate online income is through creating online content, such as videos on YouTube, podcasts, and blogs. If you are creative and have skills in video recording, audio editing, and writing, this may be an excellent option for you. You can also generate online income through the sale of digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, and software. If you have graphic design skills, programming skills, or are an expert in a subject, you can create and sell these products through your website or e-commerce platforms. Lastly, you can generate online income through affiliate marketing, promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale or conversion. These are just some of the many strategies for generating online income. Find the one that best suits your skills and start working on it today.